Where and you read the aircraft room, a channel of Yamfa and two and him 10 times so. Na Yamco, na Yamfa de Ohono and some more live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. And Yatna Sia some panning and a good year quine so as some more na so I call Yenim Ewumu. Now on this edition, Asante Kotoko and midfield dynamo. Nyamidi Adoma said ye opinino editorial nimno. Yes. Signed by Nana Penkra Kwisiewua, and of course, she say unveiling and a Monday and she possibly Nyameboa Echna Tuesday, Kotoko ebetimi unveiling the new midfield dynamo. Yeah, the way and in Komopi and Ebabe Somo after so termination of 2 players' contract. Baako de oma terminate area and sa ama teams penno. Baako nso achawpa eguso ekọ mano panyufo betie anase ono ampo anya nuhu eno so the details no ma live on GH Live Studio na Kotoko area mix for day 1 or 2 ebetimi aba anase 1 2 no de ebeka ho na 3 depending on the situation yemfa details no so mo na yemko yenim live ewa ha ahaya.
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?
Okay, yanasi. O new midfield dynamo for Asante Kotoko and that will screen so no. Yes. Asante Kotoko new midfield dynamo. Ono ene ehwe ni mu se mfimfin adwuma no oba beyo signed, sealed. Na yemfa delivered na nka ho nam se eno unveiling. Into see they signed, sealed for Asante Kotoko, your new midfielder, central midfield role, defensive midfield role. Ono baby jina ho na waboa ama on the Lord Hilaria double and the Lord Semo enya homeje na enam saye so ama kwadwo set etimi apia akonanim ewon 8 ne 10 a ota pebo no nti this is your CDM central midfielder, defensive midfielder no ono nie ni the Prince Badu ya kan ho nsem bebre ofidua mu hanom ejebo ejeko bibia awie peye awie anwumere mo kakra Monday ena nkomo no ne mpompo nso eba na wiye ama Dr. Kwame Chei entiase aye adwuma sisia no bibia esisi na kwan so kama or your new player edema Asante Kotoko Boboko new player edema Asante Kotoko Boboko na eno enchemu kakra edema yenetie na nyameboa Tuesday possibly nyameboa Tuesday abroswa na ukwiada but Tuesday that is echna ye hwe ni mu se nyame edi adoma unveiling no ebeye adwuma ewo Asante Kotoko portals ahodo ni nyina so na dwumadie no awie peye ye ba be ram na ya hwe yenua no the duties they are ba on board for Asante Kotoko Boboko no yemfa no ento animai na yemfa maw na yenhwe sedi nso no ebetumi akọ ewo mu de tie ene say we a good player so far the enim eno no me kind of good player or a discipline kakra so fine me kan kakra yes so a very disciplined nti sana esitie at this point in time we hear disciplined players enra Nations League omo boy no ade na on can squad no ho ni nyina no na nkomo die ahodo a ekoso no na ama on ka ho bia wantumi enwura mu ansi akan ni bie no ene inchemu kakra etodwa ewo mu na yento aswe on the pitch no na say field no so no baby a ya indicate no white edge na say white color no ehonomo ena obesi na kan CDM central defensive midfield role original center backs nanim no na djuma yes ehonom ena Prince Badu ebewura mu na wasi na kan na bibia wie nkonimdie so ede ama Asante Kotoko Bobo eko no Prince Badu ye kana semin oyo player bia injury ensheda enina fankra injury say ye bobo na why injured why out omobi any ade no enta enko na boboa no injury ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a ɛnhyɛ da ɛni ne records mu urem ɛwɔ sofa score urem ɛwɔ all the app ahodoɔ a yɛde check players details na yɛnua Prince Badu yi a join Asante Kotoko no ɛnhyɛ da ɛni ne archives mu koraa na kyerɛ sɛ wohwɛ mu a bibia ɛdɛdɛ na kwan mu afi games ahodoɔ a yɛabɔ no wohwɛ mu a watumi awura mu asi aka ahodoɔ bɛyɛ sɛ du9 ɛna ɛde ama bobo kwa friends Nations FC afi na emu no wohwɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ on the bench baako ɛna ɔtena bench deɛ aka no nyinaa no owura mu asi akan kama nneɛma ewie nkonimdie so yɛka sɛ on the bench a one mu bi koraa one game 2 games ɛna ɔbaa mu as a substitute a bibia ɛkɔɔ so ɛde ɛmaa no na ne injury situation said in America no 0 injury reported ɛwɔ player your friend is Prince Badu home best 3 seasons ni ɛna wasi a kind of experience ɛwɔ Ghana League the mode afidi ɛna ɛmo nwie ɛna ɛka ho a na minutes ahodo a watimi accumulate around 3033 best a minute and yet for the agro the first season on the league in no onya as many as best a minute ahodo best a han wɔtwe kɔ nanim nti obi a ɔyɛ ade yie 884 minutes ɛna onyaayɛ afi mu no wanyenya bia bɛ 12 games ɛna afi so previously last season etwam no onya 1389 minutes na ohwema third season so league ni mu no 760 minutes ɛna onyaayɛ a o accumulate kamboma 3033 minutes there watimi achoke na ukọ ne aka isima onye player odi record enko na so red card enko na so as a central midfielder onta any record kra enko na so yellow card okay kamboma 12 yellow card and abesa 3 season ye wedi 12 yellow card and wedi the first season would now 4 yellow card second season our Ghana Premier League in munya 3 yellow card and more or less some say if you were 4 or 5 yes that is the record that a woman I don't know now at Nations FC if my memory serves me right as a central midfielder no what to me ama a lot of assists kakra and I feel so why juma atwa na ba kon e de ama wo mo no e nchimu kakra ya de tuja ama yenati for ewo mo enti sa ena airco your new midfielder for Asante Kotoko yenhwe ni AJ afe 2000 June bosomene de to so dunsia 2000 June 16th ena na for ewo no Prince Badu Jr. Edini din ebinum efreni Isco na onfie aduonu enum 25 good years ena owo said emedi nkanka no injury concern there ade bia 10 of a year ensheda enko na so ye kra onsheda any player ota enya injury very fit enti ye hope say there aircon no sa pepe na be konti sa ukọ baba Sports Stadium na Kotoko bo free bia your friend say asokwa end of the pitch and I say makum baby na yi dey makum obofra makum a baby indicate white no e ho no beta gina epia e de ama crop ya mapoma metema Asante Kotoko sa pepepe e na esitie e ho no ma eno so enchimu kakra se de tudwa e ma yenati for 25 years enti Prince Badu answer call on Asante Kotoko as see there signed sealed but Yamidi Adoma Tuesday unveiling ebetoja Tuesday ebian penny for treke amount for their Wednesday but oman treke na said ye why in interviews nyina wie ama pictures ahodo nyina so my twetwa ntichena won say e soon Facebook app no so any Twitter na say X no so Instagram TikTok no any other Asante Kotoko portal na this is your 25-year-old midfielder acquired from Nations FC and also Enchimu kakra yadema yenati for ewom decision making on striker option no Asante Kotoko eguso yewie midfielder idea Kotoko eguso ye ho adwuma jojo all hands on deck sinodochi hwe se bibia betumi awie nkonimdie so na se striker ba ko osanim wings bo we versatile utility wise ewa animu ho no ombenya bia enkwese number 9 ko anemom obeyi obi a obetimi abo wins omuguso APB na omudi Emmanuel no same place nations on komo but in room pomponso edura yede ba beto anim eno eni nchemu kakra yede tudwa ama yene tie for right back position ehon so bibia de na kwamu a nyame edi ehun afofi a yenua Emmanuel Kotei will be registered eno nchemu a yede ma yene tie for other version of nchemu a yede ma tie for Tinedu Samuel enye Kotoko player biem obekaya ya ba beka ni fia hadada but the nim sesia ne se kasakasa no ba bia dro ne de mutual termination mutual consent enianum anasa fanu ni menu nyina no ebegia tum na Samuel Tinedu officially were free Kotoko ya tese Heart of Lion eno no edin komo behind the scene Heart of Lion eno no edin komo kakra eno so nchemu kakra etodwa ewo munti what is ebia any other clubs and so pena ehia Bechem United and so yeah Bra Francis mo yate se omunya Tinedu se nko me masha mfimfi anko mo penti no so ye nkoma etodwa ba bia ne next destination no de ye de ba betu ani but Tinedu out Prince Badu in nyame boa unveiling ebetodwa eda ochena na nkudimdi bo no akoso on Tuesday official unveiling of player and the Prince Badu Jr. 25 years old, 3-season experience in Ghana Premier League, you know, about as many as best 3,000 minutes. Our league in the Minaki Kambomoa, not the yellow cards, idea a more best Duba Konko Dumi Nuso. Red card, the Unya Bida, not Bia air caught and kind injury. Sir, Wakakotana out on so and corner sway into ye who is a 25-year-old Prince Badu. Joining Asante Kotoko, subject for official announcement to pay Nabibia pay no or no airbano, another CDM Tinedu mutual consent or no so a free club. Now one player back Joseph Ablo gross disrespect bikakra and then misconduct bikakra into empenyufonso and then kasa ama mutual termination. Ese juma but ahuma be free so epese etisa contract termination but still nana ene na woso adoto empanyimfo Kotoko ese omojitum enye yie ese okọ ema obi ba enti eno so nchiremu a ba nti se Kobasa Prince your friend say Joseph Ablo na chopa no said empanyimfo bi ewa America hakra di animu pa bia choma no se antentam dia and Joseph Fantastic Soldier Ablo and so be say goodbye this January transfer window ama Asante Kotoko Sekobasa dia na ene ushemu Kotoko fish more from nations na Samuel Oseko for deal no and also be eminent but for now the betting confirm the amount a player and the Prince Badu Jr. 25 years old Tinedu out Prince Badu in now most likely Ablo will be shown exit door, but a chop and gusu kosua. And the more details in no and some live our GH Live Studios. Yabasaba na yaba yadi dewa atwa so edi amount fikesi muhano. Yes, yadi see bomba share na a subscribe MIA.
There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?